Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do a clean with me fridge and restock the fridge. So we'll be using white vinegar and methyl in the fridge. Yeah. So this is inside the fridge. It's a bit messy. It's a bit messy, but we're gonna clean it. It needs cleaning and organized. So guys, that's the fridge. That's the fridge. Let's clean it out. It really needs a bit of cleaning because it has been clean for a while. So not the freezer bit. The freezer bit for now. Really, freezer bit can really stay. But we're gonna work on this bit because it's a bit untidy and want a bit of cleaning. Yeah. So guys, Gabriel is gonna help us take out the stuff. So see these kids. Maybe. Yeah. So yeah. So let's take out the stuff. And then, oh guys, this is some mix-up drink. Some mix-up drink yesterday. Some strong back Guinness and some legend. Irish mash, white ruminants. Yeah, so we're taking out the eggs, guys. And loads of eggs. Oh, this tray is empty, so we need more egg in this one. This one is finished. Okay, we got this stuff. It's really been a while. Nice, the fridge all nice and empty. Good. All nice, yeah. Fridge making noise. go. So we're gonna put it back in the fridge. Gab said you guys couldn't see what in there, so this is what in there look like. We're gonna put it back in the fridge now. Okay. So in the bottom we're gonna put some spinach. We have 2 packets of spinach. So in the bottom, let's put the spinach there. We have spinach and we have what we have again? Okay. We have lettuce and we have cucumber. So we're gonna put them in there, the bottom, and put the lettuce down there. Yep, that's it for the bottom, guys. Okay, guys, here we have 2 milk. So here we're gonna put it here. We're gonna put the milk here. Yeah, that's it for the milk. What next? Okay. So we have jerk sauce and we have barbecue sauce and jerk sauce. We're gonna put it at the bottom. We always leave it down there. Let the sauce. Okay. We have some ginger and soy sauce also. We're gonna put it down there. Yeah. So we'll put like the jam and the Nutella. We're gonna put it here. Let's see where we go along. We put them there. Fridge is making noise, guys. Fridge is making noise. So up here we're gonna put the mayonnaise and the pasta sauce. We'll put them up here. The salad cream, more mayonnaise. We'll put them there. Yeah. With condensed milk. We're gonna put them there. What else we have? Okay. We'll mix up juice. Go in here. Yeah. So we'll mix up juice. Okay. And fridge looking good, guys. Butter. Okay, guys, we're putting back the eggs. We're gonna put back the eggs them in. Yep. Put in the eggs. Going into the fridge. Guys, we have some coconut water. We're gonna pack it in the fridge, and we have some ginger beer also. We're gonna put it in the fridge. Stay tuned. Yeah, bring some ginger beer. Put in the fridge. Okay, guys, we're gonna put some coconut water in the fridge now. So we have some coconut water. Yep. Put it in the fridge. Put some ginger beer up there. We're gonna put some ginger beer. Put it on the top. Yeah.
Can't fit.
Yeah. Go on.
Put it at the back.
Yes. Just put them there. Just put them in the fridge. Okay, how much for me this? Costco, guys, 6 coconut water is in this one. So we have that. We're gonna put the fridge.
Ginger beer.
How should we make it stand up? We should make it stand up. I think it's better. Come, pack the ginger beer then quickly. Okay, coconut water that's sorted. Let's pack some yogurt back into the fridge. Guys, the fridge are crying. The fridge just want you close it.
I took too many.
It just want you close it. Man, you make it burst. Why you take so much at the time? Don't take too much. The fridge just want you close it. It no have nothing to do with you taking long.
The fridge is literally crying right now.
Guys, I have some breast here that I want to do some spinach and breasts for tomorrow for dinner. So I will season this breast. This is for tomorrow dinner with some potato and spinach. No. For dinner. So guys, we are finished now. We're just wiping outside. We're just wiping outside of the fridge. Yeah, guys, we're almost finished. We're almost finished, guys. It's coming to an end. Guys, remember Roxanne British. Like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe, guys. So we're almost finished now. We're just cleaning outside of the fridge.
Make sure it looks nice and clean. Make sure it's dry.
Guys, the fridge top on dust. Although the dust it what day, enough to tell you the truth. It dust it what day.
I'm just cleaning like this.
Nice and clean. So guys, let me show you inside.
Ta-da!
Let's show you inside.
It kind of looks like we went shopping, but we didn't.
It's nice, guys. Yep. I'll show you inside the fridge. Yep. It's nice and packed now, guys. Well, we still need some bit of shopping to be done, but it's okay for now.
I think I'm done with this.
The freezer, guys. We need to do some shopping. We need to do some shopping. But it's nice and clean now, guys. Look at it. It's nice. Nice and clean. So I need to buy some organization stuff for the fridge. Then we can do organize. Yeah. Nice and packed, guys. Yeah. Guys, please, that's my channel name. Guys, the fridge all nice and clean, guys. Nice and clean. Nice and clean, guys. Yep, guys. Look at it, nice and shine. Nice and shine, guys. Yes, guys. So that's it. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching.
Guys, so bye guys.
Bye, guys. Thanks for watching. Guys, I forgot. We're putting some chicken in the oven. Yep. Putting some chicken into the oven. This is dinner. Yep. That's what's going in the oven. Guys, this is the chicken. So we're going to turn it over and put it back in the fridge. We just throw the water off it. So we're just going to turn it over. Use that water to make some gravy. Yep, guys. Boiling some pasta.
It's time for bed.
We're boiling some pasta also. Yep. Cheesy pasta. Look at the cheesy pasta, guys. Cheesy. Gravy over there going with itself. Cheesy pasta. Guys, it's all finished. Look at my jerk chicken and look at it. It's all finished. Guys, thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.